Hey everyone, I'm Mom Jovi. In this video, I am going to discuss the function of VLOOKUP in Excel. Before I am going to use the VLOOKUP function, let's first take a look on this definition. So VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It is a function that makes Excel search for a certain value in a column to return a value from a different column in the same row. So, what are its components? So, the first one or the first argument is the value you want to look up, kung ano yung hahanapin natin, and then followed by the range in which you want to find the value and return the value. This pertains to the range. And then the third one is the number of the column within your defined range that contains the return value. And lastly, it is this one. It returns this could be the value could be 0 or 1, 0 or false for exact match with the value or you are looking for, 1 or true for an appropriate match. So it may either be 1 on 0 depending on your needs. So here is the syntax, the VLOOKUP, the value, the range, the column number, then is it true or false? Okay, let us now uh, use this function here. So as you can see, I have two sheets here. So the range that I'm pertaining here, yung number 2, the range in which you want to find the value will be this one. Okay, this will be my range. Yan, I'm going to highlight. Yeah, a little bit lighter. Yan. So, my range will be starting from B4 up to I21. Okay, so, but by this time, instead of using the same Excel sheet, I am going to use another sheet in which the name is main page. Yan. So, if you want to switch from one page to another, you just click the tab here. Okay, there you go. So, let's start. So, I go here, insert function. So, I'll be using VLOOKUP. Ayan, select VLOOKUP, and then you click Go. There you go. You click OK. Now, so the lookup value. So the lookup value will be the cell reference of this because whatever data that I'm going to type here, this one will be used. So the cell reference C4 here. Okay, next, the table array. So the table array will be on the next sheet. So I'll click this and then I'll grab here until here and then I'll be clicking this one again. There you go. Okay, so the column number. As you can see, I created here the column number. So for the learner's reference number, it starts with 1, surname 2, 3, and so on. So it's very clear, huh? Learner's reference number will be 1. The succeeding column will be 2, 3, and so on. And so on. Okay, so I'll be putting here 1. Okay? And then you click OK. Now, there's something that we are going to include. So it may either be 1 or 0 for exact match. We want 0, right? Okay, let's see. And so it appears here. Now, here is the lookup value. Here is the range. Hanggang dito. And here is the column and exact match. Okay, so if we want to copy this, look at this. We will not be getting the exact result. Why? Because if you copy, look at the formula. If you drag the fill handle, look at this. When I say fill handle, guys, this is the fill handle. When I drag this, look at this. Ayan. It changes. No? It automatically increments by 1. So, to avoid this, that's the reason why we have the relative reference. These are all relative reference. So, instead of using relative reference, we are going to use absolute reference. So, how do we convert this into an absolute cell reference between the column and the row. So you hit F4. There you go. There's a dollar between. So this one as well, so that when we copy the formula, it will not uh, adjust. So F4, and this one between I and 21, another F4, and then we hit the enter key. There you go. Let's try to copy. This is the fill handle. When you copy formula, what you're going to do is to drag the fill handle. Yeah, it's okay. Pare-parehas talaga yan, guys. Why? I did not change. You just change this to retrieve the surname. So, palitan natin to. Let's change this into 2. Okay, look at this. And then 3. We are now getting the exact match, right? The exact result. So, it will become 4. So, it will become 5. This will become 6. This will become 7. And then let's finish it. This will become 8, right? Okay. So, yan na siya. Now, let's see here. If I want to look up, let's say, because I did, and I don't know the exact ID. Say 2023, ito, 2022-008. So, we're looking for that. So, 2022-008. Yan, okay. So, wala. 2022, why? Yeah, it's okay. Kasi nagkamali ako. Why? Wala namang, there's no 2020-008. So, it is 2022. So, I'm going to modify this and change this into 2. So, 2022-008. Let's try. Okay. Why? Kasi, ilang zero? Tatlo, I guess. Right? Yan. Okay. So, 2020-008. Let's see kung si John Doe nga. Yan. 20, yes. Doe John Marcus Santan. Sabi niya. Yes. So, everything is correct. I'll be adding some feature para ma-avoid natin guys yung nagta-type. Let's say, di ba, I'm going to look here. Let's say, 2019, 109. Let's say, nalimutan ko. It's very hard, right? So, para hindi siya 2019, 109. Instead of encoding the learner reference number here, what we are going to do is we are going to use a drop-down arrow to pull down all the options, okay, the list. So, ganito siya. So, you go to data menu and then you look for this one. Eto guys, oh, there's a small check, very small kasi siya. Eto, may check and then a small circle. You click the drop-down arrow, select data validation. Here from the allow, select nyo yung list and then the data source. The source, saan manggagaling? You click this one. And then, you select this, the ID, starting from here up to here. Ma'am, ba't nyo sinasali yan? Sali natin yan kasi if ever mag-type kayo, mag-update siya automatically. Okay? Sige. Go here, and then, you click OK. There you go. Eto na siya. Okay, look at this. Yan, that's the beauty of adding data validation. Look at this. It is transferring. Okay. Of course, eto magnanal to kasi wala. So, lalagyan natin dito ngayon. That's the purpose na naglagay tayo. Halimbawa lang to ha. So, 2020, 107. Okay. Si apelyido niya, Letro. First name, Maria. Mary. And then, middle initial, Santa Cruz. Okay? And then, galing siya sa Python Street. Okay. Okay. So, birthday, kunyari, birthday is March 14, 2020. Siya ay grade 6. Siya ay taga Santan. Okay? So, let's see kung nag-update. Let us save this one and go back here. Kasali na ba siya? Yung last natin, ayun na siya. Look, So it is updating. I do hope that this short video will clarify your understanding on how you're going to use VLOOKUP together with data validation. If this video helps you, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See ya!